Hi traders, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. In today's video, I'll be taking live trades based on the concept like liquidity sweep, FFLC and FFLL. I'm going to show you exactly how to combine these concepts to take high probability trades in the market, and this video is going to be super interesting and packed with valuable insights. So make sure you watch until the very end to get most out of it. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright traders, so I have already taken my multiple currency pair and let me add some more so that I can get good quality trade setup. I'll analyze the market, and wherever I get high probability trade setup, I'm going to take trade and I'll explain you the logic behind every trade as well. So here in this currency pair, there's a lot of sweep going on, and let me take a put entry after this red candle and I'll explain you the logic behind this trade. This is a high probability trade setup. Why I'm saying that? Because if I take a rectangular box and I will show you the level here at the very top, market is not making any highs. Okay, and you see there's a lot of wicks going on. This is liquidity sweep. You see the green candle, it could not break out, and again there was one sweep, though the market major trend is up, but now market doesn't have enough strength to go up. And also there's one more confirmation, and the confirmation is this one. There's a breakout of a valid pullback with a red candle. This is a proper breakout. Okay, and now market again went up after the breakout and could not make a new high, and after this strong red candle, which I have noticed the reaction was pretty strong, and because of these multiple confirmation, I've taken a put direction trade right after the opening, and this is a winning trade. This is a very high quality trade setup. Now market can go either way. That's the spinning top. So after spinning top, I will not be taking any more trade here because the market major direction is up. Okay, so this, you see, there's a breakout. This is a valid breakout by a red candle. This is not a sweep, this is a valid breakout, okay, with a body. So after that, market went up, test that zone, it could not make any more highs, and again we could have taken trade, but I was not available at the moment. One green candle, I will consider that as an error candle, and after that green candle, a strong red candle, and after that confirmation, I took a put direction trade, and that was a winning trade. So this is how you can take trade with the help of liquidity sweep. Now after the sweep has happened, market next target is this left leg, and oh my god, look at that. That was a very big bearish candle, and now it has hit our target. You see, this is the left leg and it is fulfilled. Now market can go either direction. Market can go up, down, we don't know. The major direction is still up, so we will not be taking any more trade in this market. Let me find some more good quality trade setup, and if I find any example, I'll be explaining you that as well. Okay, so let's see here. This ranging market, I'm going to explain you how the market has dropped here. There was a liquidity sweep of this high. Okay, here you can see there was not a breakout and the valid pullback was broken out, and then market went down. Let me grab a rectangular box. I'll not be taking any trade here, but I'll just explain you how the market moves. So here the high was sweep by a wick. It was not a valid breakout, correct? And let me get my marker. Here you see the sweep has happened, and then in this leg here there was a breakout with a red candle, correct? And now we are confirmed that the market is going to test that area, this particular zone, and exactly from that point when market went up, you see that it dropped. Now market temporarily is moving upward in a ranging up situation. Market target has hit, left leg has hit, one more green candle plus one. You see, I'm going to take a call entry trade right here because this is a good quality trade setup. Now most of the beginner trader, what they will do, they will think that this is a resistance zone and they need to take a put entry trade. But what I'm seeing here, now the market is trying to break out of that resistance zone, and I'm going to take a call entry trade. I'm only taking one trade here because this is a high probability trade setup, but this is also a 50-50 chances. But according to my analysis, market is going to break out. Why? Because I have applied FFLL. So if I have to market left leg has fulfilled, plus one candle is our confirmation candle, and in this kind of situation market will usually break out of that resistance zone. You see that? Now buyers are in control. I will mark all the level. Let me win this trade first, and I will explain you why I've taken a call entry at a resistance zone. This trade is going in our favor, and according to my analysis this should be a green candle. Why? Because if you see on the left hand side, the left leg has been fulfilled and the last green candle was a very healthy green candle, which is why I've taken this trade on basis of FFLC and plus one green candle confirmation. And look at that, this is a winning trade. Now you will be wondering why I've taken a call entry trade at a very major resistance zone. Listen guys, support and resistance does not work in binary option. It all lies how the candlestick are reacting, what the market is doing, and currently market is moving in an uptrend situation. You see market is making higher highs. There's a lot of buying pressure going on, and already the sweep has happened. Market has already reversed and now buyers are in control. So in this kind of situation definitely breakout is inevitable, so which is why I've taken this trade, and this is a winning trade. You have to put all the logic and take trade wisely. Now let's see on other chart what the market is doing, and if I find good quality trade setup I'll be taking trade. Okay, okay, in this particular chart there is, okay, this is not a sweep, okay guys, and this is not a sweep entry, this is a candlestick. This three candlestick, the pair of these three candlestick is very strong. You see the high here, this is not a sweep, there's a proper breakout by the body, so I'll not be considering this as a liquidity sweep, and this is not a liquidity sweep entry. Why I've taken this trade? I have taken this trade based on these three pattern of this green candle. This is a very strong pattern and usually works 90% of the time, and even if this trade goes in loss I'll be taking my martingale trade, but according to my analysis this should be a winning trade as well. So you see these combination of these three candles I have also mentioned in my previous videos as well. This is a Sureshot pattern. If you see the last green candle, it has closed inside the common wick of these three candles. Okay, and whenever this pattern is formed, even if it's a red color pattern or a green color pattern, doesn't matter. Okay, this trade is refunded. I've taken my multiple martingale trade, and the next candle should be a winning trade. So let me explain the logic behind this trade. Whenever you see three same color candle closed inside the common wick, you can take a reversal entry. I have taken this trade based on candlestick pattern. Okay, you see now our one step martingale trade is going in our favor. There is a lot of bullish momentum going on, but along only with the help of candlestick pattern also you can take trade in binary option, and I've taken my one step martingale. The previous trade was refunded, but now I am very sure that this candle is going to be a red one. Why? Because now the fourth candle is also closed inside the common wick of our green candle, and look at that, this is a beautiful trade. The market is bullish, but I've taken a counter trade, and this is a winning trade as well. This was a counter trade. Now market direction is up, the major direction is up, and market I am assuming that market will resume to go up to its next target because there is no sweep going on. Market has given us proper breakout, so I'll be taking one more confirmation and I'll be taking my call entry trade after this green candle. So let's see how this candle will react, and I will be taking my trades accordingly. I want a very healthy green candle to have my confirmation for next up trade. This is, you see, the next target of the market should be our left leg. Okay, this should be around here. Market should go up to this area, And after this candle, right after the opening, I'm taking a call entry. I'll be taking my call entry trade up to my red horizontal level. So let's see, this candle has given us a gap up opening. Okay, so the candle should come down to fill that gap, and if it does so, I'll be taking my marginal entry as well. But for now, if you see here, market is moving up. If I place a trend line here, market is going in an up direction. Okay, and we have got some beautiful healthy green candles. Let's see how this candle reacts, and according to the reaction we will be taking our next trade as well. But if this candle closes as a green hammer, we will not be taking any trades, because a hammer can reverse the market. Okay, so let's see. This trade is going in our favor, and this is another beautiful winning trade. And now, as I anticipated, this is a hammer candle. I'll not be taking any more trades without any proper confirmation. I need one more green candle to take my call entry towards our next target, which is our red horizontal box. Alright traders, I hope you like this video. I have taken a lot of trades, and I have explained you the logic behind every trade. I hope you will practice this in your demo account, and make sure to comment me down below in the description box. Whatever confusion and whatever questions you have, you can comment me down or message me directly in my Telegram channel. And also don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the description box. Okay, I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep practicing and happy trading, guys.